What's up guys, my name is James and today we're here with Vikingbags exploring the saddlebags and the tool bag. As you can see here with my setup, I have some widow bars. We have the nylon straps in the back right here. You could put them up front or behind, whatever's more comfortable for you guys, but for me, I like to keep my cell phone, my wallet, and my gloves. Easy access right here. Super durable, weather resistant. I keep them up front right here, just like the style of the bag up front with the Dyna. Street division right here on the front logo, as you can see. Really comfortable bag when I'm riding, doesn't get in the way of my vision. Over here we got the large size street division saddlebags. Easy detachment if you guys are rocking a 2-seat step up like I have here. Really easy. As you can see, the seat comes right off. Slap them on the side. They do have Velcro straps that attach right here. Easy access to put them on and take them off. And just like that, we're back on riding. They do have a side pouch right here. Easy access. Let's open this bad boy up for you guys. Same material, nylon, weather resistant. Here I got a cleaning towel. I got some extra gloves, an extra beanie for the weather. Got some pens for work. Same thing on the other side over here.